Everybody, in this video we're going to go over, does Shein complimentary gifts actually work? So picture this: you're browsing for a new outfit and then you suddenly hit a spending milestone, and then a sleek banner appears suggesting you can add a bonus item at zero additional cost. This little spark of excitement essentially hits until a sort of question sneaks in. Is this genuine, or is there a catch? Over the next however many minutes of this video, I'll unravel every single part of this process, and you'll learn exactly the complimentary item prompt is structured, the hidden maybe things that you might not know about, and how the marketing mechanics might be behind it, and the precise steps needed for claiming the item in your cart, and also the logistic puzzles that govern if, when it actually arrives along the way. You'll see the typical order scenarios and the little caveats that might derail your selection, and let's go over that. So everything builds essentially to one decisive step, revealed only at the end, that ensures your bonus selection is honored every time. So there's no detours or essentially personal no detours and just actionable information. So it's crucial to understand the add your complimentary item banner appears first, why it appears first in place. And the reason for that is because as your cart reaches specific places, so typically $20 to $30 to $50, a banner slides in to your view, and these typically range from hair accessories to small little jewelry pieces to tech gadgets. And the phone stands or cable organizers have like each bonus carrying a value label, often like $5 to $8 or even $10, which primes you to perceive the added worth beyond your paid items. So from here, actually, the perceived gain at minimal incremental costs, recognizing the frames, the entire experience, is that the bonus isn't a random giveaway, but a calculated element at the checkout. And at the same time, it's essential to guard against fraudulent limitations, especially fraudulent limitations from people trying to pretend they are Shein, but they aren't really Shein. So I mean, just make sure you're on the official Shein website, or if you got this notification, you got from someone or something specific that is using the Shein domain. So make sure there's an email address that ends at shein.com, right? And that links directly to the mobile app. And you want to avoid clicking on promotional banners from unknown coupon sites or social media apps that claim VIP access to bonus items, because there's a chance that it's not actually Shein. You want to make sure it's genuine and it's from Shein. The genuine bonus prompts occur strictly within the verified Shein ecosystem. So understanding both the essentially marketing motive and potential security threats sets the stage for the next phrase: how exactly to claim your bonus item without missing a crucial step. So first you want to identify the banner. So on desktop, the banner will appear just above the proceed to checkout button, and it's styled in a bright color with text like add your complimentary item or something like that. And on mobile devices, it may be hidden beneath a gift icon button within your cart overview. And if it's not visible, just refresh the page or switch between desktop and mobile views to ensure it's not overlooked. And from there, you want to click add now. And essentially, this should insert the bonus SKU or into your cart. Like, for example, you might see HC123 acrylic hair clip, or like a folding phone stand, whatever that may whatever the product number is, and you can add it as a separate line item. And a tip one is, I would say, capture a screenshot immediately. Make sure the screenshot clearly shows the banner, so the bonus item, the name, its value, the tag, and the SKU. And you can save this screenshot in the dedicated album labeled as Shein bonuses, or whatever you need to organize your photos. And from there, the documentation becomes essential if the bonus vanishes during later stages, and to just have verification in case later on you realize that it wasn't from the official Shein. And you just scroll through the cart to confirm the SKU line item. And on some interfaces, actually, the essential cart item, the bonus item appears unchecked by default. So you want to make sure you look for a small checkbox next to the bonus line, the bottom line, and ensure it's ticked, and make sure the missing because missing this checkbox means the order will process without the bonus, even though it appears to be added. So let's go over what happens next. So you want to tap or click the bottom line to view its miniature product page, and essentially from there, after you view the product page, the ships from information that's located, record the SKU again in a Notes app, and these details from a direct reference when troubleshooting can be helpful. And then you just complete the checkout process. You just proceed as usual using saved payments and shipping information, and just don't be surprised if the bonus item doesn't show up in your confirmation email or order summary. This is like sometimes standard behavior, and if it doesn't show up, it might be a problem with maybe the carrier, and this just happens all the time, like with different agents. Like I ordered something from YesStyle, and there was like some issue that happened with the carrier, and it was just it was an accident, and I got it resolved. And just have a screenshot for official record, and just by meticulously following these steps and capturing proof at each point, the chances of losing your bonus to a hidden thing or issue drop dramatically. So let's go over what happens next. So with the claiming process mastered, the next challenge is ensuring that the item moves seamlessly through Shein's global logistics network. So now into the complex world of fulfillment and shipping. Shein leverages multiple distribution centers across different regions, which means your paid item and your bonus item might travel distinct routes and arrive on separate timelines. So there might be separate fulfillment centers if your main order, like clothing, accessories, or home decor, ships from a U.S. warehouse. You might receive it in as few as a few business days. However, bonus items often stocked in like overseas facilities. Don't be surprised if they can take like an additional week or two to arrive, because they come in small pad envelopes or bubble mailers, sometimes without because you're not paying for you're not paying it for additional costs, so like don't expect it to have like premium shipping, right? So another tip is checking the ships from information on the bonus product page. So if it reads ships from like a specific warehouse, you can anticipate like a longer transit. If it ships from like a U.S. fulfillment center and you like live in the U.S., for example, the bonus may arrive more quickly. And using this intel to gauge when to expect each package is great. And the bonus items are subject to real-time inventory constraints. If the chosen SKU runs out of the stock post checkout, Shein typically substitute an alternative item. And you can just wait a little, because this is a big company. They have a lot of stuff, and if one runs out, they can just substitute it with another. And a hair accessory might become a keychain, and don't worry about it, because there's no additional cost, right? So bottom line is that essentially by selecting the bonus item in this direct way, and also making sure that you're using the official Shein, this is a great way for this type of thing. So thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you later.